today's episode, we're going to be taking the old exhaust off and putting on the new exhaust, which is a little more raspy. If you don't like raspy, well. So, the current status is actually it's got Mack long tube headers. It also has a Mack mid pipe with SLP cats. And then it's got Flowmasters just cut in the stock replacement side. So today we're going to be swapping that out for some SLP loudmouth 1s. And I can't wait to get it. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to give you a start up real quick. I'm going to jack the car up, change my shirt, do a cold start with stock exhaust, a couple drive-bys as well, and then we'll go ahead and do it with the new exhaust. Alright guys, so now we're under the car. We got it raised up in the air. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to disconnect those two flanges from our mid pipe. Now I'm running a Mack Prochamber with some SLP cats with Mack long tube headers, and the current setup is just a set of Flowmasters cut into the stock exhaust. So from the sounds of it, I'm going to have to cut this piece up here that goes over the axle with my Sawzall and then pull the flanges off. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. So we're going to box all this exhaust and SLP. Alright guys, so now we're ready to install the new exhaust. It comes with two intermediate pipes here. You're going to start with the shorter one, and that one goes on the driver's side. So we're going to go ahead and put that on right now with our flange. Alright, so I just got back from my first cruise around with the new exhaust, and I gotta say I love it. It's super raspy, it's super loud at all the right RPMs. Having convertible and cruising a lot, I definitely don't want it to be droning on the interstate or droning at highway speeds. It's definitely not. It actually sounds pretty close to the Flowmasters I had on it previously, under 3,000 RPM. But once I get into it, it's about 4,500 RPM. That's where the thing really starts to sing. It's super duper loud. I love it. It's not obnoxious, guys. I think it has a lot to do with the fact that I'm catted and my mid-pipe is that Mac Prochamber, and it's just, it must do something that quiets it down just a little bit, but it's still super raspy and I love it. So comment below what you think, and feel free to let me know your exhaust setup.